Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast for Monday, September 28th. As we moved into the Week 4 folder, you will see that we're actually taking a brief break from the Paleolithic times, the very, very ancient history, cavemen, cavewomen, prehistoric humans. We're going to be taking a 3-day break to complete our 6th grade social studies pre-assessment. And the 3 days are progressive, meaning that you need to complete Monday's work in order to do Tuesday, and you need to complete Tuesday in order to do Wednesday. So I set it aside for 3 days of work. And when you go into Monday, there will only be one document. And you will click on the Black Death CAR. CAR stands for Close Analytic Reading. Pre-assessment, reading and annotation. So when you click on it, you will go to My Document, and it will open up a blank document that looks like this. Don't want you to be discouraged by the length of the reading for this. It looks longer than it actually is because the page is squeezed in order to have the margins on the right-hand side. So the only goal for Monday, and you can see it right in the directions, is to read the reading called The Black Death 1348 by Giovanni Boccaccio. You will read the analysis, and you will summarize each paragraph in the margin to the right. So after the first paragraph, you will type in your explanation and your summary of the paragraph on the right, and you will also underline key details that support that idea. So if you thought that this was a key idea for the reading, you will just highlight it and underline it. And that's all you have to do for Monday is the reading and the annotation, the summarizing, and the underlining. You will utilize this document to do some multiple choice questions on Tuesday, and you will use it to do a written response on Wednesday. Don't want you to be discouraged by the length of the reading or the potential difficulty of the reading. Your grade will be based on your effort at this point. So this is a pre-assessment. This is to see where we are at as social studies readers and writers. And this is actually an assessment that you will also take at the end of this school year. So the goal for everybody as we go through our lessons and we improve throughout the year is to score better at the end of the year than you did at the beginning of the year. And if you do that, then you will have done your job as a social studies student. If you have any questions about this assignment throughout the day Monday, please feel free to reach out to me via email. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.